Hello my mommians, it's your girl Davita Catherine coming back to you with another video. So today I am up early. It is currently 7:50 in the morning. I've been up since 6 o'clock, but as you can hear my girls are up too, so they're eating breakfast, and I am going to start dinner before I go because I have a lot of things to do to get ready for this baby shower today that I'm decorating. Today I'm gonna start dinner early because I'm gonna do it in my slow cooker, so it's gonna take about 4 to 8 hours. So I'm doing a half-butt pork roast today. Haven't decided if I'm gonna turn it into chopped barbecue or if I'm gonna turn it into like a chopped gravy pork and with peppers and stuff like that. So I'm not too sure. So the pork roast I actually got from Aldi's, and it was $10.28. So that's gonna be enough for my family for of 4. And I haven't decided the sides, but sometimes like when I make like chopped barbecue or anything like that, I normally make like a macaroni salad to go along with it, or thank you. So I normally make like a macaroni salad to go along with it, or if for day 1 I'll do like a coleslaw with Hawaiian rolls and make sandwiches out of it. So there's different ways that you can do this. So let's get into the video. Bye. Okay guys, so I have 4 cloves of garlic here and a small onion, and I'm just gonna slice it. I'm just gonna roughly chop it because I want like the chunks of onion to be in there. My husband says that it gives it more of like a bite, so that's normally what I do. And it's already been washed and cleaned, so I am just going to roughly chop it and then put it right inside the pot. And I'm doing this quickly because I have so much to do. Don't you hate that? Rush days. And that is 4 cloves of garlic. So that all goes into the crock pot. And let's move on to the next step. Okay guys, so this is my roast that I am going to be using. This has soaked overnight in apple cider vinegar, kosher salt, and water. So I just rinsed all of that off, and now I'm putting it in the crock pot with my onions and my garlic. So I'm actually gonna hit the high button and start my process. Right now, let me just rinse my hands off really quick. So now that that's in there, what I am going to do is I'm gonna take some brown sugar. This is 1 cup of brown sugar that I'm gonna put in there. And then I have some garlic salt. I think this one is actually my new one. I go through garlic salt like nobody's business. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of garlic salt, sprinkle that right on top. And it looks like a lot, but I'm going to be and some garlic powder. I'm also going to take some onion powder. And some seasoned salt. And the seasoned salt and the garlic powder was 99 cents. I got from a store called Lidl. And the seasoned salt I also got from Lidl for $1.99. And it looks like it's going to be salty, but it's not. Oh, also I did want to say that this lining that you see on my crock pot, these are the Reynolds Kitchen slow cooker liners, and you can get them for $3 at Walmart, and it comes with 8. So I like it. It makes for a quick and easy cleanup when I'm cooking meals like this. So you know, it's worth it. So now what I'm about to do is I'm gonna take some chicken broth which I also got from Lidl. And I'm gonna actually measure it out. I just spilled some. God damn it. So it's probably about to be like a cup and a half, or maybe 2 cups if I had to measure. I normally don't measure, but you know, people are gonna be watching this and they're gonna be like, what's the measurement? Okay, so 2.5 cups of chicken broth is what you're going to baste it in. And I'm just going to cover it and let it go. And that is it. I'm just gonna let this cook down and we'll be back in a couple of hours to see how it looks. Hopefully I'm done with the baby shower by then. Okay guys, let's check on our roast. It is, okay guys, so this is how it's looking. I think it looks really well. I'm about to cut it up. Hopefully it'll tear just apart because it's been a little while. We have 3 hours and 40 minutes left on it. So yeah, and once it's done cooking fully, then I'm going to barbecue it. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the ending of this video. I don't think that I need to show you how to plate it or whatever. What I'm actually gonna make today with that is a nice Caesar salad with egg and feta cheese, maybe a little bit of sharp spinach. I normally get the bag salads. Sometimes they're 87 cents. Sometimes they're $1.99, especially the bags of spinach. They're actually on sale at Lidl right now for 99 cents a bag. That's pretty much it. Once it starts breaking apart in the crock pot, then all you're going to do is drain the liquid, and then you're going to add your sauces, your barbecue sauce, your gravy, whatever it is that you're adding to it. There's many ways that you can do it. After adding your sauce, try it, and then if you need to add a little bit more seasoning, you can add seasoning to your taste. You don't have to use the exact same seasonings that I used, but that's how I do mine. For $10.28, and you get all of that, you know, it's not bad. And then